So when somebody comes to your website, they're ordering a product, the very, very best time to sell them something else is when they're just about to check out. That's the best time to sell them something else, okay? And that idea of increasing the order size means everything for your business, because it's the money that you make from that order bump is almost like free money for you. Of course, you've got your product cost to come out of it, but you haven't had to pay any marketing costs, for instance, to get that money. That's just come from a result of marketing costs you've already spent to make the initial sale. Okay, this is a wonderful way of increasing your profits in your business. So these are, I think, the best ways of doing that. Starting with this, which is called an in-cart order bump. And that's a very, very weird way of saying this. So once you actually get them to the cart and they're ready to check out, then present them with something else. Show them something else that would be relevant for the particular thing that they've ordered. And you'd be amazed how many people will take that order bump as a result of that. I do it all the time, especially if it's something I haven't thought of. And I'm like, oh, yeah, I will need that. That would be really useful, you know? And I think that's an important place to come from. You're providing a real service to your customers by giving them things that's going to complete the purchase and make the overall experience better for using your product, okay? So that is an in-cart order bump. 20 to 30% is not uncommon for people to take that. And again, it's kind of just free money for you, you know? One-click upsells. If you've ever purchased anything from Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and of course you have, then we use one-click upsells all the time here. It's just where we show you something else and you just have to click a button and it's like, okay, now you've got that as well. Okay, it's that concept of that. The best software for Shopify is something called Zipify. Okay, so if you're using Shopify, Zipify is really, really good. Actually, Zipify will do thingy-bobs as well. They'll do these as well, okay? But that's how it works. So they're just about to check out. And like, all you need to do now is add it to your order. Boom, we're going to go. We've got that too, okay? So it's like a doubling your profits from the same order, okay? Very, very good website. Mate of mine owns it. They do a fantastic job of marketing. You should go and check them out. He's a very, very sharp marketer. Smart marketer, should I say. Order bundles. So again, notice actually that Amazon does all this for you. So if you're selling on Amazon, Amazon just does this already, but they don't sell your products. They'll sell any product that they think. So Amazon's making the money, but you're not making the money, okay? This is why I think having a Shopify website is so important. Bundles. We all know bundles. We do bundles. Bundles are a really great way of increasing your order size, but also they're a great way of looking after your customers as well. Last time I got my daughter a new bike, not only did I buy her a bike, I also got her a helmet. I also got her a basket from the front of the bike. I also got her a stand for it as well. Like, and on and on and on, you know. So, but they were all things I needed. So that bundle really helped me not have to go shopping all over the place. It's really, really good. That's how a bundle works. Again, pretty sure Zipify will do that for you as well. This is not actually an advert for Zipify, but they do a great job of it, okay? And I love how that's been put together. That frequently purchased together idea is taken directly from Amazon. Everybody uses it now because it really, really works. And because so many people shop on Amazon, you would be very, very smart to copy the way that Amazon does that, because not only have they spent an inordinate amount of time testing that strategy, we've also now got a situation where people are used to it and feel comfortable with it, and it doesn't jar them, you know? So That's important, to have people feel comfortable as you're taking them through the order process. Nothing really jars them. Anyway, that's frequently purchased together. And then last one, thank you page offers. Again, I use this all the time. I think this is a really great time. The time when somebody has just paid for something is when they're feeling best about their purchase. That's when they feel the best about the purchase, okay? And so you want to, at that point, offer them something else that would be useful for them as well, okay? It doesn't need to have the same kind of affinity that you would do at other phases. You can offer different things here. But that's a simple one. Simple one is just to offer a discount code, and you could just put a time frame on that. I just got, there's one of the shops that I shop at a lot. It's called Boji. It's an Italian men's designer shop. Anyway, so every time I purchase something from Boji online, they always do this. They always say, hey, Neil, here's a discount code. It's like 10 or 20%, whatever it is. But you've only got 24 hours to use it. And then I'm like, I've got a time, I've got something. Clearly, I want to buy more stuff from there. And now I've only got a time frame to use it. More often than not, I use the coupon. So they get me again. They get me again. Super, super cool. Here's another way of doing it. I like this too. I think these do a really nice job. This is Stilly. Their website is also really great. But you can see, look, they do the 30% off. If you tell us your birthday, because they want to get the information, and that's a really cool thing to do. Increase the amount of information they know about you on the thank you page is also a very, very smart thing to do, because then you can market to people off of the site, for instance, with text messages or whatever it is. So that's I think, arguably the 4 best ways of increasing your average order value. Zipify, I know Zipify does the first 2. I'm not sure about this one, but certainly the thank you page is pretty simple to do as well. If you're selling online and you're not utilizing this, you are absolutely leaving money on the table. Absolutely. And if you're selling on Amazon, Amazon's already doing it for you. It's just that Amazon's making that money, not you. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.